That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He
So cute. I just want to kiss your face and bite your ears, and I want to squeeze you until you go pop.
I know. No. No. You doing? Are you taking a pic of me because I'm so cute?
Double tap to boop my snoot. Go ahead. Boop it. Boop it.
Were you frogging right there? Did you move? Are you frogging over here now?
I'm tired.
Well, I guess we can't go to the park then.
Okay, I'm not tired anymore.
Good morning, Cheeto. Hi, Cheech. Are you ready for your breakfast?
خانم دختر خاله نگاه کن رفته خارج درس بخونه تو باید از این پیشی بیفتی خانم.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
You look like you're angry, Cheech. What is this? An 11 line? Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
I'm just a baby.
But you still have to say okay, mom.
I'm just a baby.
안녕하세요. 저는 귀여움을 담당하고 있습니다.
What are you doing? Are you taking a pic of me because I'm so cute?
Zeppelin. Zeppelin, touch. Yes.
Yeah. Son.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Good morning, Cheech. Hi, Cheeto Burrito. Who's ready for breakfast? Are you ready?
You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace. Glows in the dark.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Hey, Cheech. Are you ready for breakfast? Cheeto burrito. Let's go. Go to your bed. Go to your bed.
What has big ears but doesn't listen?
Vamos a probar los cornelitos. Escúchame, es omega 3 esto. ¿No te gustan los cornelitos de omega 3? ¿No? No, no querés esto.
Just laying here thinking, how am I this cute and there's absolutely no one giving me attention?
It's probably the best idea I have ever had. It's probably the best idea anybody has ever had.
पता है तुम्हें जिसमें एक कुत्ता दिखाई देता है उसमें मुझे एक मासूम बच्चा नजर आता है क्योंकि बस नजर का फर्क है.
Who is this person who speaks to me as though I needed his advice?